Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this very yummy nutrient dense salad recipe that will deep clean your skin pores, leaving your skin looking agelessly fresh and beautiful, because this will leave in all those nutrients for a youthful radiance to the skin. Plus you will smell so fresh and have no belly fat as well, because this will easily break down and help you burn down all your belly fat and get back in shape. Voila, so I'll be using fruits loaded with a lot of vitamins and minerals, and my first choice will be mangoes. Mangoes are loaded with all those nutrients I need to boost collagen, freshen up my skin pores, and leave my skin looking so fresh, radiant, and beautiful. The best skincare is from the inside, and mangoes nourish your system with that for that radiant skin. So what you need is one mango or 1.5 mango, that is fine. I'll be using two. So you want to slice up into shapes that you like. Mangoes are loaded with a lot of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, plus a lot of vitamins and minerals to boost collagen production for that youthful agelessness to your skin. Like, this is so nourishing. The vitamin C will freshen up your skin pores as well. The second ingredient I'll be going for will be papayas. Papayas, when you talk of ageless skin, eat you some papayas. This freshen up your skin pores, load your system with vitamin E, vitamin C, most importantly. A lot of vitamin E are found in papayas with vitamin C, which you need for that radiant, youthful freshness to your skin. Plus, a lot of vitamin C in these fruits will help to freshen up and cleanse your skin pores, leaving your skin looking so fresh, radiant. Plus, you will smell so fresh because your skin pores are so clean from eating this. So what you need is have a papaya. You just want to get your papaya washed thoroughly. You need just half of it. You don't need to eat the seeds. I don't eat the seeds of papaya. They can be kind of I don't feel comfortable eating them. So you want to take them out and slice your papaya into some good sizes that you love, because I love my food looking presentable. So I always shape them to crave my appetite. Most especially healthy foods, you want to make them so attractive, because junk food can be so flattery. So make your healthy meals attractive by cutting in good sizes that you find your meals very attractive as well. So this is it. It will soften your stool as well, clean your stomach, and leave your skin so beautiful. The next will be half a pineapple. I need a lot of the vitamin C here, most especially the bromelain in this pineapple. There is an enzyme here called bromelain, which helps to clean your skin pores, boost your metabolism, flush your system out. The enzyme provokes your system to detox itself, that way flushing out waste, toxins, and leaving your skin looking so fresh without toxins making your skin look dull. So this is my pineapple peel. I don't throw it. If you've been watching my videos, I have recipes with this, and I'll share more recipes. I always store them up in my freezer for you for next use for cleansing. So same as the other ingredients, I'll be slicing up my pineapple into the same square shapes as I did with the others, so it looks so presentable and so yummy. Besides, the dressing is the best part of this. You want to watch till the end to see how I come up with the dress. Now I'll be adding antioxidant rich foods, and you can have them in berries like strawberries. This is raspberry, blueberries. All the different kinds of berries are loaded with antioxidants to fight free radical damage from the inside, making your skin look dull, for that beautiful radiance to your skin. So you want to wash your fruits. So if you don't have raspberries, you can actually substitute with blueberries or strawberries. They are all the same, but I love me some raspberries in this recipe. Blueberries or strawberries are fine. You want to wash thoroughly with vinegar and water, and voila, this is my clean handful of raspberries I'll be using. I'll just be adding some blueberries just for coloring. If you already have one of the berries, that is fine, but if you want your dish to look presentable, you want to bring in some color, you can add in some blueberries just to make your salad plate look so beautiful. So yeah, the next thing now is the dressing, and for the dressing I'll be using one orange plus two other ingredients. So what you want to do is to get your orange and get the juice out of it. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C to freshen up and deep clean your skin pores. If you want to look so fresh, consume a lot of vitamin C, and you can actually have them in oranges, the zest of lime. So I'll be scraping out one zest of lime. You want to get the peel, like you see me doing. This brings in flavor in the salad, plus it cleanses your skin pores, boost your metabolism. Like, this is so yummy. It brings that yumminess to this, and so nice. So you just get one. Make sure you wash. If you've not watched my video on how to thoroughly clean your fruits, ask me and I will link you on how to thoroughly wash your fruits. That is very important, most especially if you are to consume the peel. So now, before I squeeze the juice out of the lime, you want to measure 6 tablespoons of your orange juice. So if you are not fresh orange is the best. Like, just get your fresh orange, and this is one orange, and it will give me 6 tablespoons, and I'll be adding half a lime in here. So you want to get the lime, you got the zest out of it, slice and divide into portions. You need just half of it, which will give you 3 tablespoons of lime juice. So just take your time. This too helps with metabolism boosting, cleansing of your skin pores, and help you smell so fresh, as well as your skin will be so fresh from the inside due to the vitamin C. So you want to add in 3 tablespoons of your lime juice in here, and so that is 6 tablespoons of orange juice, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and the zest of your one lime. So this is the zest, and I'll be adding in some honey, not just to bring in a little bit of taste in here, but the good enzymes in honey helps to clean your stomach as well. Honey has a lot of good enzymes in it to cleanse your stomach, and make sure you get good honey. If you don't have good honey, you can skip the honey. Now you mix all the ingredients together to come up with your dressing. You see how it looks so beautiful, not just so beautiful, but so yummy in this salad recipe. So you want to just put your ingredients in your large bowl that you can maybe store in your refrigerator. That is how I store mine if I don't eat it all at once, which is impossible to eat everything at once. You just like put it in a big bowl that you can store in your refrigerator, and kind of put all your ingredients in the bowl. You see how the blueberries makes this beautiful, and the bomb here is my dressing. This dressing is bomb. Like, you want to add it in this salad and you will love it. Trust me, this makes everything so yummy, brings in a lot of vitamin C in here, and this is so heavenly. This will cleanse your skin pores and leave your skin so beautiful, fresh, plus you will smell so fresh and help you burn fats, as almost all of these ingredients in here are fat burning, to burn most especially belly fat. And voila, this is my salad. Now you can serve a bowl for yourself, just to nourish your skin, like just to keep that your skin so fresh, boost collagen production, burn some of that belly fat, and leave in a lot of nutrients into your system. Share this video with your family and friends. Trust me, we need to start living healthy. You need to have recipes like this in your refrigerator, unlike pizzas in your refrigerator. These are the kinds of recipes you want to have in your refrigerator to live a healthy life free of diseases and sicknesses. Trust me, skincare is supposed to be done both from the inside out. This is external skincare, but trust me, whatever you consume internally does the job more than external skincare. The two go together to give you a very beautiful skin tone. Plus, without belly fat, you need to eat healthy foods that your system can easily break down, digest, clean your stomach. That way you easily pass out waste. Nothing stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. Plus, you want to drink lots and lots of water to freshen up your skin, help you digest food so nothing stores up as well because of indigestion causing constipation. Before you know it, you end up with a bloated big belly. Like, this is the healthy way and the way forward. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Try the recipe and let me know how you feel about it. Thank you and bye.